At yan, maningil ako dyan sa pagre-record.
Kala, ito.
Buong setup na yun, 20.
Maganda naman ang kuha kasi ito kinito.
Sino ba pa yun?
Iyan nga, pwede natin gamitin sa replay yan. Yung first shot.
Huwag lang sa mata ka, iba yung sinuha.
Ayun. So, iba na pagawin, no?
Oo.
Walang Team Joseph, puta.
Lima naman.
Team Joseph para ma-start. Ang busy si Jung, ah. Kumuha. Ikaw ba't ka kumuha? Sino kumuha dito? Sabi mag-nila ko kunin dahil hindi amin yan. Kaya nga, mag-nila ko kunin dahil hindi naman sa atin yan. Nagdahan mo yung tigla kasi magdadagdahan ko.
Last fight. Baba. Lock.
Mike. Hinaan mo lang. Ipon dito. Yan, okay na. Hinaan mo. Hinaan. Di pa hina, pre. Yan. Hawak ko lang. Okay din.
Aga ko.
Mike, last 5 minutes. Oh, pala yung mga tatay na talo. Ay, mananalo. Sino bang ko sa inyo? Pwede mag-stats na lang.
Cut ko muna tayo.
Nico, mupo ka dito, mag-stats ka. Wala, non-bearing naman yung stats dito.
Ako player, naging din yan.
Last 3 minutes. Happy Father's Day.
Ayun, parang hindi buhay ng tatay dito, ah. Puro binata, ah.
Magaling sa kanya Happy Father's Day para may ibang laman.
Happy Father's Day sa mga tinalo namin.
Mga di amin natalo. Tangin na. Mamaya, tatangin na.
Di ba magana na sa Arvin?
Wala ako. Usap ko ka ako yun. Kami na. Wala ko sa nakuha nila. Sabi
Sabi niya Alvarado.
Wala ako. Arvin, kailan nakamintis ng laro yun? Kaya nga, first drop parami yun. Laki na, lagi pa nandiyan.
Kaminis lang ng laro, nung buro ng tato eh.
Nalo pa sila doon, di ba?
Kabutsaw, mag-stats ka dito. Walang mag-stats. Hindi rin ako marunong magpalaro to eh. Arlo, mas accurate sa iPhone niyo. Buti na lang may forecast pareho Android sa iPhone.
Ilang percent sa...
Android, 80%. Sa iPhone puta, 55.
Last 10 seconds.
Wala pang magsastats oy. Bahala kayo ah.
Pamilo, magsabi ka mo.
All the players, please stay in the middle of the court for a quick pictorial. Sumunod kayo. Pakibilisan. All players in the middle of the court. Nakinig kayo. Rep, paki-technical. Dasal ba yan? All players in the middle of the court.
All players in the middle of the night. This game is battle for third between Team Marion and Team Sunny.
Rep, sama kayo ano?
Rep, sama kayo rep sa picture, rep.
Ano, nagre-reflect sa'yo? Ayos kasi sigaw tayo. Animal lang po. Okay na Camilo.
First time in the middle of the court. Nulit ko, first time in the middle of the court. Pakisuot ang pantalon. Bola, 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 bola. Bola, bola, bola.
Ano? Binaban ng ano? Binaban ng... Nakaka-copyright. Ma-upload yung video.
Welcome to the Battle for Third of the Ivory Wood Season 4. Laban ng kinabukasan. Also known as the Ezel Cup. And here's your drop ball. Ball possession with the black team to Jay. Jay will lay up at 2 points for good. Assist by Iris. Obra to put the door for 3. Wala. Rebounded by Obra for 2. Wala pa rin. Rebound by JB to Arlo. Arlo passing it to the outside. Good pass turned over by Arlo. It's another replay of yesterday.
Arlo number 2.
Obra passing it to Ferdy. Nagdalawang isip si Obra. Ayaw pa rin si Ferdy. 4-3. Assist by Little Birdie. Obra Maestro. 3-2 is our score. Arlo giving it to JB. JB is 3 for 3. Kaso it's sobra. Kabalan with the rebound. Obra with pushing it the floor to Kevin. Kevin not foggy. 2 points not good. Rebounded by Wally for nothing. Rebounded by Calvin. Calvin bringing down the ball. Meron siyang panty sa ulo. Arlo to JB. JB to Arlo. Arlo, 2-step dribble. Layup is not good. Wally with the rebound. Wally to Obra. Obra did not take the 2. Kevin with the cutting 2. Rebound by Arlo. Missed shot by Kevin. Stolen by Podador. Turnover Arlo. Ferdy, 3 for 3. Back to back, 6 points for Ferdy. Wala pa siyang paano magalit today. JB to Aris. Ay, thank you, Tita Rosie. Tita Rosie passing the water. Aris. Calvin, 3. Assisted, not assisted, but rebounded by Aris. It was blocked by Wally. Traveling by Podador.
Turnover, Podador, block.
Ano? Foul ba? Foul ba?
Okay, foul daw.
Hindi turnover.
Oh, block and rebound. Rebound ni Podador.
Bali rebound ni Podador. Block ni Wally. Rebound Podador, block Wally.
Sino foul? Foul si Aris.
Foul number 84, Iris. 3 for 3. Wala. Rebound by Wally. Wally giving it back. I'll just take the shot. It was not good. Calvin running. Calvin attacking. Losing the ball. Same ball. Bro. Dino Bro is in the house. Aris looking to pass to Jake. Calvin. Calvin for 3. Nothing there but Wally the rebound and a fast break to the identical 3. Blocked by Calvin.
Ano tawag din sa ano? Yung mga uod sa ano, peninta.
Obra receiving the ball. Passing it to Podador na wala sa pwesto ang press. Rebounded by Podador. Giving it to Wally. Wally with the board shot. Jay with the rebound. Rebound by Jay. Arlo bringing down the ball. Sabi ng mga bata kay Arlo, go daddy. JD giving it to Calvin. 3-second violation by Jay. Jay turnover. Mini Obra passing it to Ferdy. Ferdy passing it to Kevin. Kevin to Mini Obra. 3-point. 8-2 is our score. But parang pangit yung install nung scoreboard natin. Aris crossover. Aris passing it to the outside. Turnover, Aris. Hindi ba usog ng konti yung scoreboard? Abot mo ba? 32 Obra, what a pass, assisted by Obra. Eponador, 2 points by Kevin. 10-2 is the score. Passing it to Jay. Jay dropping step, drop step, fade away, not good. Rebounded by Ferdy. Kevin Bullets. Kevin attacking, passing it to the other Bullets. And the rebound by other Bullets. Ferdy to Wally. Foul counted by Wally. Assist by Ferdy. Thank you, Alvarado. Pa-follow out ko ulit mamaya.
Bala na kayo! Bala na kayo!
Change 5.
Sino may iwan? Si Arlo? Arlo at Jay may iwan.
Arlo and Jay, please stay on the court.
Ano kami late rower? Yun muna kita, papalit.
Papalitan pagkatapos yan. Pag na-shoot, palit.
Kahit hindi mag-shoot.
O, sige.
Anong rebound sila?
Change player. Arlo staying on the game, playing the point guard role. Surveying the floor, not taking the shot, giving it to JC. JC, seeing Marion for 2, not good. Rebounded by JC. 2 points. 20 seconds, 2 points agad kay JC. Tongero passing it to Carlos. Carlos to Sunny. Baby Burger passing it to Ernest for 3. Rebound goes to Ernest again. Ernest will attack and make the shot again. Missed again. JC with the rebound. Jay, namumuti na yung buhok. Crossing over. Spinning around. 2 points. Sayang, hindi counted. Barde with the foul. Okay, with the foul. JC inbounding to Marion. Quick release 3. Rebounded again by JC. Pump. 2 points, foul counted by JC. Foul by Carlos, number 9.
Pero di kaya. Di ba, sir?
Last free throw for JC. Happy Father's Day. 3-point play is completed. Lasingero dribbling the ball. Lasingero passing it to Sunny. Lasingero taking the 3. Board lang tinama, medyo lasing pa. Rian, supplier turning it over. Burger, 2. Noting. Rebound, Rian. Arlo. pushing the ball. Arlo giving it to JC. JC giving it to Jay. Jay. Nakaharang si Ref. JC, pupull up ba yan?
7 seconds.
Crossing over. Passing it to Rian for 3. Soup. Airball. But
Turnover stand.
Wala, nakuha na nila ball eh. Clear na yun eh.
rebound again. 2 points again for JC. The score is getting narrower.
Nahiwa ng lata.
Jet to Carlos, to Jose, to Sunny for 2 points. Assist by Ernest. A marvelous assist by Ernest.
First time.
Arlo passing it to outside again. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a replay of yesterday. Jet pushing the ball. Jet pushing the Alak. 2 points. Rian the supplier dribbling the ball.
Kagabi yan, para dito.
Supplier of
The supplier crossing over kahit walang bantay.
10 seconds after.
Arlo, give it to Jay. Jay, dumog na. Rian, libre. Tira yan! Wala pa rin. Change possession. Sani, si Tulasinggero. Tomador to Burger. Burger, 2-step pass to Ernest, not good. Arlo with the rebound. Arlo pushing it to Michael Jordan. It's 3 turnovers to Arlo with bad passes. J pushing it again. Tomador attacks. Tomador rebounds. Tomador passes. Ernest with the Jay with the rebound, steal by Jay. And a foul by JC.
JC dito.
Arlo. Rian to JC. 10 seconds shot clock. And last to Rian to Arlo. 2 points. Good. The passing is converted. Rebound is not good.
Si Barde.
Pass from last. Pass to JC. JC 2-step drive is 3 points.
Walang mahal.
Jet pushing the ball. Jet nagmamadali. Ernest. Usap. So, kamusta naman tayo dito? Saan tayo kumain ng Father's Day? Saan tayo nag-lunch? Foul. Foul. Jay, Chico. Taas ang kamay, foul. Baba ang kamay, foul. Baba. Kaliwa. Taas ang kamay. Ayan. Baba na. Thank you. Taas yung nasa gitna. Barde missing the free throw. Second shot. Rebounded by Barde. J for 2. Rebound and assist by Barde after missing all free throws. J with 2 points again. The lead is 6 points, courtesy by yours truly, Team Sunny.
Uy, ano tawag dun sa mga ano? Sa mga bulati sa may block? Ano tawag dun? Tawag dun ba yung mga bulati? Marion, alam mo ko na tawag dun? Yung mga bulati sa may block. Yung mga bulati sa masayaw sa may block. Yung may tawag.
Bantige to Obra. Obra to Fergie. The pass is stopped. Possession remains on the same team. Wally inbounding it to Obra. Obra to Podador. Podador will try again. Podador, wala pa rin. Podador gets the ball. Podador, meron na ba? Meron na. 2 points by Podador.
Wala kasi 2 points lang po na to.
Jay receiving the ball. 10 seconds shot clock. Arlo passing it to JB. JB, pasok apos yun. Stolen by Podador.
Rebound Calvin. Rebound Calvin. Steal Podador. Turnover Calvin. Brown. Oh, turnover is Calvin.
Ari. Calvin attacking. Calvin block shot. Stolen by Calvin. 2 points Calvin.
Turnover si Podador.
Obra attacking. Obra to Ferdy. Ferdy taking it. Oh my God! Another 3. Obra with the assist. Ferdy, nakakatatlo na yan. Mukhang marami-rami kailangan gawin mamaya. Ari. Siya na nagdadala ng bola for 2 points. 2. Podador pushing it. Podador dropping it to Obra. Giving it to Ferdy. Ferdy to Kevin. Kevin at Pogi to Ferdy. Step back 3. Not good. Wally with the rebound. Wally finding Nemo. Kevin Bantige. Bam bam. 3. Assisted by Ferdy Sabalan. 10-point lead. Podador, nagtatali ng sapatos na di pa binabayaran sa akin. Calvin for 3. Fast break, stolen by Calvin. Podador turnover. Rebounded by Podador. Podador again. Turnover again by Podador.
Rebound and turnover.
Excuse me? Okay lang. Ikaw mo ba kung para sa liin ni Mark yung mga paso ko? Tinatapos ka na ba? Turnover ko pa. Jay, 3 points. Board lang tinaman. Podador running. Podador running. Podador.